In the market for a 2006 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.